Most people in the digital marketing world are fighting for $15 affiliate commissions or praying for a 10% ROI on search arbitrage. While they're chasing pennies, I've been quietly scaling a business model that deals in $500, $1,000, and even $5,000 work orders. It's called Digital Maintenance Arbitrage. I don't swing hammers, I don't own a van, and I don't live in the US. But I control the flow of high-ticket maintenance leads and drop service them to pros who do. Today, I'm going to show you my actual earnings and the exact process I use to handle work orders. Let's look at the numbers. Here is a typical week. Notice the ticket size. This isn't a $2 lead, this is a fulfilled contract. In search arbitrage, your margins disappear when the CPC goes up. In maintenance arbitrage, your margin is protected because the service value is so high. I published the full strategy for this in my new blueprint, but I want to show you why this works so much better than traditional lead gen. People ask, how do you manage this from a laptop? It's a 3-step bridge. Using the search strategies I teach, we catch the homeowner at the moment of emergency, like a burst pipe or broken AC. Here is my dashboard. When a work order comes in, we verify the details and match it with a vetted vendor in our US database. We collect the payment from the client, pay the contractor their fee, and the spread stays with us. No physical labor required. I've spent months documenting every step of this, from finding the niches to vetting the vendors and staying anonymous while doing it. The full blueprint is now live on WAP and featured on Black Hat World. If you're tired of the low-ticket grind and you want to leverage your marketing skills for a real-world, high-demand industry,
click the link in the description. Stop selling leads for $10 when you could be owning the $1,000 contract. See you on the inside.